Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is write 5 into 5 into 5 in exponential form. Here we have given 5 into 5 into 5. Since 5 is multiplied 3 times, so it becomes 5 to the third power. That is 5 to the power 3. Hence 5 into 5 into 5 can be written in exponential form as 5 to the power 3, which is our option D.